guys, what's up? My name is Rukma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a brand new video. So आज के वीडियो में हम करने वाले हैं एक huge Amazon haul. So I've been buying a lot of things from Amazon in the past 3 to 4 months and I just wanted to sit down and show you all of these things. All the things that I'm going to be showing you today are Rukma approved because they are all very good quality, and all of these are like very useful day-to-day items that we keep requiring, you know. So it is going to be a very fun video. It is going to be a very fun, helpful haul for you guys to watch. So I'm really excited for this one. So yeah, let's get started with today's video. But before that, if you are new on my channel, please consider subscribing. Click on the red subscribe button and also enable the bell notification icon right next to it. Now without any further ado, let's get started. So before we begin, I would like to clarify that there is no fixed category for this haul. Like I've got all sorts of things. Kitchen के सामान है, कुछ clothing wear है, कुछ skin care है, कुछ jewelry है. So a lot of things in today's haul. So please keep watching because ये पूरा जो haul है बहुत ही interesting होने वाला है और आप लोग के लिए काफी helpful भी रहेगा. I am very sure I'll talk to you guys about the products in detail and all of these are like really affordable like I mentioned earlier. And if you want to buy any of these, don't worry, I'm going to be mentioning the direct links of all of these products in the description box below. Because there is no fixed category for this haul, I am not going in any particular order. I am just going to be picking जो मेरे हाथ के पास रखा हुआ होगा and I'm going to be showing that to you. So the first thing जो मेरे हाथ के पास यहाँ पे रखा हुआ है are these mixing bowls that I got. Now these were a set of 4 and I will be attaching a picture here. So बाकी दो जो है अभी मैंने wash करने के लिए दिया हुआ है. See, when you want to marinate chicken or you want to mix some eggs for your omelette, you need a larger volume, larger circumference वाला बर्तन जो मेरे पास था नहीं. So like if you can see this particular bowl, ये plastic का है of course, but if you see this, इसमें chicken marinate करना कितना ज़्यादा easy रहेगा, या फिर दाल भिगोना, या फिर you know चावल धोना, all of those kinds of things become really handy and easy if you have things like this with you. So I have 2 here, but this was a set of 4 and all of these are like so colorful. The other 2 I think are of blue and grey color if I am not wrong, and it's a very good quality. And ये 4 का मुझे I guess 300 या 350 इस आसपास कुछ रेट लगा था Amazon पे, and I think it's really worth the money. I think these are going to be very good, so you definitely wanna check these out on Amazon. Now the next item that I can see is also like a kitchen item, या आप बोल सकते हो. This is actually a set of glasses that I got. So these are a set of 6 glasses. मैं एक ही लेके आई हूँ यहाँ पे to show you as a sample. You can see this is quite a unique design and ये थोड़ा सा ऐसे light blue shade में है. Of course this is plastic. Actually because थोड़ा सा shifting and all का scene अभी है, तो मैंने glass material का glass नहीं खरीदा है. For a set of 6, I think I again paid something around 300 or 400. Very affordable, you guys, and very good quality. Now why did I get a set of 6? मैं तो यहाँ पे अकेले रहती हूँ. The reason is because I keep drinking Glucon-D, Tang, I have some milkshake और मैं chia seed भिगोती हूँ. So मुझे ना cups and glasses बहुत ही ज़्यादा लगते हैं. Because of which I thought कि नहीं, set of glasses लेना भी बहुत ज़रूरी हो गया है. And I went ahead and bought this set and trust me you guys, these are very good quality. एक glass 300 ml का आपको मिल जाएगा. And I think इसमें एक purple या pink variant भी था, but I went for these. Yeah, nothing more to say about these glasses. Yeah. Next up, I want to show you something that I got from Amazon Pantry actually, but a special mention for these because this turned out to be so good, you guys. And I have tried a lot of different kinds of almonds in my life. मुझे almonds पसंद है. मैं रोज generally 5 almonds खाती हूँ उनको overnight soak करके. But इतने अच्छे quality आमंड्स के मिलना ना बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है, एंड ऑल्सो इतने रीजनेबल रेट में, बिकॉज आमंड इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव ड्राई फ्रूट्स दैट यू हैव आउट देयर, राइट? सो आई गॉट दीज रेजेंसी आमंड्स. ओके, आई डोंट नो इफ दिस विल बी अवेलेबल in your locality, but and अगर आप almonds खाते हो regularly, please go for these because these turned out to be so amazing. Like you get 250 grams of almonds. MRP 300 लिखा है, लेकिन मुझे pantry में ना ये 250 का पड़ा. This was packed in May 2021 and I got this in May 2021. So very fresh, very crunchy, very premium quality almonds. However, the rate is very affordable, very budget friendly, because of which I loved these almonds. So in case Regency almonds are available in your locality, you have to try them out. Now next up, what I have for you guys is actually a makeup brushes set. Now I have been contemplating to buy a makeup brushes set for many months now because I have taken a lot of interest into makeup, like you can see. So I wanted to get a good makeup brushes का set. मैं एक makeup sponge से काम चला रही थी, लेकिन मुझे makeup brushes चाहिए थे because for blending your primer, your foundation, your compact powder, your eyes, you need different kinds of brushes, right? So I went in for these makeup brushes. Brand का नाम मुझे अभी याद नहीं आ रहा है, but I'll pop up a picture here so you can just see and check it out. Now these were around 600 or 700 rupees, but guys, these are so worth the money. Like, these are bomb.com. Okay, these are just so good. Firstly, you have to check out the packaging. Look at this brush case. Yeah, this is so premium, so luxurious, yet at such an affordable rate. And once you open this, no, you get 12 brushes. Now generally brushes के जितने भी set आप देखोगे ना Amazon पे, most of them are 10 brushes के set. Okay, but this is a 12 brushes का set, which is absolutely amazing. And I love the quality. You have all sizes of brushes. जैसे मैं अभी सबसे ज़्यादा frequently जो use करती हूँ ना, brush number 1 and brush number 2. Okay, these are the two brushes that I use the most. Brush number 1 से मैं मेरा foundation जो है पूरा blend कर लेती हूँ, and brush number 2 से I do my compact powder. And you can see इतना seamlessly blend हुआ है, तो कुछ तो अच्छा होगा ना इन brushes के बारे में. So they look very classy, look very premium. They are in this neutral color. They are very soft, also very gentle on your skin. You will not have any breakouts or any issues while using them. So in case you guys are looking for a good brushes set, I mean, your search ends here. I'm gonna be linking it in the description, so आप वहाँ से check कर लेना. And बहुत ही ज़्यादा premium quality के हैं you guys. मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद आए ये वाले brushes. तो अगर आप देख रहे हो, please go for these. And also another additional point here is that, see, this brushes set, you know, comes with this case, right? And ये 12 brushes and ये brush holder, सब कुछ मिला के आई थिंक आई इन्वेस्टेड 650 और 700 bucks, राइट? जनरली अगर आप देखोगे ना अमेजोन पे, तो सिर्फ ब्रश का जो सेट है वो 700 का भी आता है. एंड अगर आप सिर्फ ब्रश होल्डर देख रहे हो, लाइक ब्रशेस का केस देख रहे हो, तो सिर्फ वो भी 700 रुपए के आपको मिल रहे हैं. बट यहाँ पे आई गॉट द ब्रशेस एज वेल एज द ब्रशेस का सेट इन 700 rupees. So guys, this was, I think, really affordable, a very good purchase. And guys, I would just like to mention something out here. I don't know if you are a regular viewer or if you are new to my channel. In case you are new, I would just like to tell you guys something about myself personally, which is I don't invest a lot of money. Okay, I don't spend a lot of money, but yet I manage to have everything that I want in my life. And I do that because I do very intelligent kind of shopping. I like to shop intelligently. I like to compare prices on different platforms. I like to see what I'm getting for a particular price. I like to see what kind of customer reviews are there for a particular kind of product. So yeah, there is a lot of research that goes into something. So मैं invest या spend बहुत कम करती हूँ, but compared to that मेरे पास सामान काफ़ी ज़्यादा है मेरे फ्लैट में, and I'm very happy and blessed for that. So in case you guys want to see affordable hauls and you guys want to see how you can build up your makeup and your fashion closet in a very affordable, budget friendly manner, you need to subscribe to my channel because मैं ऐसे videos डालती रहती हूँ. Okay, next up, what I want to show you is something from Mamaearth. Now, I have tried a lot of Mamaearth products, okay? I have tried their hair mask, I have tried their hair oil, I have tried their face wash. I had never tried a body wash from Mamaearth. So I went ahead and purchased the Mamaearth Upton body wash. This comes with turmeric and saffron, and this is basically for glowing skin. Now I basically love Mamaearth products because they are so environment friendly and yeah, they are paraben free, SLS free. इसका MRP is ₹300 and मुझे ये 250 या 260 का मिल गया था on Amazon. Now guys, I want to share my honest opinion about this body wash. Now this is almost like a body scrub because this has these many granules in it and it will help you scrub your body very nicely. But if you are looking for a premium luxurious body wash kind of a feel, which is like soft and gentle on your skin and has a lot of odor, like long lasting स्मेल अगर आप चाहते हो, तो फिर आप ये वाला मत लेना बिकॉज इसका जो स्मेल है बहुत ही मिनिमल है एंड बहुत ही एक बेसिक स्मेल है जो आपके नहाने के 30 मिनट्स में गायब हो जाने वाला है. सो आई लाइक दिस. आई मीन दिस इज गुड फॉर क्लीनिंग माई बॉडी एंड स्क्रबिंग माई बॉडी, बट दिस डजंट गिव मी दैट लग्जूरियस एंड प्रीमियम फील जो दूसरे कंपनीज के बॉडी वॉशेस मुझे प्रोवाइड करते हैं, एंड आई एम वेरी गर्ली दैट वे, सो आई पर्सनली प्रेफर गर्ली बॉडी वॉशेस. But if you guys are okay with using a body scrub and you guys are very concerned about the environment, then you can go for this one. Next up, I have a very interesting product for you guys. I actually wanted to do a dedicated review video for this product, but then I thought कि मेरे channel पे अगर मैंने इसका एक specific review video बनाया तो बहुत problem हो जाएगा, because मैं generally ऐसे review videos dedicated नहीं बनाती हूँ. So the next product is this electronic toothbrush from Agaro. This is what the toothbrush looks like. Now this is black in color and the bristles are light blue and royal blue का एक mixture, and you have a lot of modes in here. Okay, so you have white, clean, sensitive, polish and massage. 5 modes के साथ आपको ये toothbrush मिल जाता है, electronic toothbrush. आप यहाँ पे इसको चार्ज भी कर सकते हो, एंड ये जो हेड है ना ब्रश का, ये डिटैचेबल है, ठीक है, एंड आपको ऐसे 4 और डिटैचेबल हेड्स मिले हैं. सो आफ्टर 2-3 months of use, you can just keep changing the heads, and अगर you run out of all the heads, you can also order a fresh set of heads from Amazon. Now Agaro is a very coming up electronic products ka brand. I have heard of Agaro. They have other very reasonable electronic products as well, but I wanted to try out this one. I had heard a lot about Oral-B's electronic toothbrush also, but when I went to Amazon to purchase that, no, I didn't really like the reviews, okay, and I wanted to go for something which had very good reviews, and this was that, okay, this was that particular product which had very amazing reviews, and I instantly placed my order for this one. I love the color of this. I mean, this is really cool. Okay, this looks very cool. I love the fact that it comes with detachable heads, and आपको 4 heads ये लोग already provide कर देते हैं जो दूसरे brands नहीं करते हैं. I love the fact that it comes with 5 modes here. This has a very good battery life, and if you're looking for that deep cleaning wala effect, no, for your teeth, you definitely have to try this one out, you guys. I mean, this is something which comes between you having dirty teeth and your visit to the dentist. It comes right in the middle of that, you know, because this can save you from going to a dentist as far as cleaning your teeth is concerned, not for any other dental issues. I just want to put that out there. So अगर आपके teeth जो है आप बहुत minutely and बहुत ही अच्छे वे में clean करना चाहते हो, this will do a fantabulous job. And obviously initially when you start using it, you will feel a little weird, because of course it is electronic, it keeps moving, it keeps vibrating and rotating in your mouth. When you start using it frequently, it is going to be a piece of cake. Trust me, I think I've used this for about 7 to 8 days now, and I've already got the hang of it. So it is not going to take too much time, has a great battery life like I mentioned, and yeah, the different modes are very nice, and I find my teeth much cleaner after I purchase this. So now that I've got this, I don't think I will ever be able to manually brush my teeth, but yeah, this is very good. Yeah, if you're looking for a good electronic toothbrush, now give this one a try for sure. Next up, what I have for you guys is actually a body oil. Now body oil में जो bio oil का आता है ना, that one is very much in demand. It was a little more expensive, and I didn't want to spend too much money, yet I wanted a good body oil, because there are some parts of my body which become very dry irrespective of the season and the weather. Like my elbows, my knees, they become very dry. Okay, so I wanted a good body oil जो मैं नहाने के बाद apply कर सकूँ. So I went in for this Biotique Bio Carrot Seed body oil. This is an anti-aging after bath body oil. Don't go for that anti-aging wala part, that is fine. I mean, it's okay. I'm not using it for that particular purpose. I'm using it for hydration. And guys, this is not chipchipa, this is not sticky, yet it is going to provide you the perfect hydration. It has a very pleasant smell also. This basically comprises of carrots, but this doesn't smell of carrots, so don't worry. It has a very mild but a very pleasant smell. You will like the smell, okay? And Biotique product has, obviously this has a proper 100% Ayurvedic recipe, and this is very inexpensive. This is for rupees 135, and the quantity that you get is 120 ml, which again is amazing. Organically pure and preservative free, dermatologically tested for safety, and no animal testing. And the ingredients are gajar seed oil, badam tel, akhrot oil, mahuwa oil, rai oil, and moongfali tel. So all of these ingredients are very amazing, so you guys should definitely go in for this body oil in case you're looking for one. Next up, I got something in the skincare department again. So I got this Kaya Youth Oxy Infusion Night Cream for youthful glowing skin, developed by dermatologists. Now this is the first Kaya product I'm actually using. I was earlier using the Plum ka green tea night gel, which again worked wonders for me, but I wanted to try out something new ताकि मैं आप लोग के साथ भी ना नए नए products share कर सकूँ. This has an MRP of 399, but Amazon पे I guess again मुझे ये 299 ऐसा कुछ मिला था. आपको बहुत ज़्यादा ये लगाना नहीं पड़ेगा because this is extremely hydrating. So a very small quantity will work wonders for you guys. This is what the cream looks like. I'll just show you like a small test on my hand. So it blends in very smoothly, very nicely. So ये हर रात को मैं लगा लेती हूँ as my night cream, and this is like my only night skincare cream. Okay, I don't apply too many layers. सिर्फ ये लगा लेती हूँ because I have dry skin. So when I wake up the next morning, I have really soft, supple, hydrated skin, and that makes me very happy. So yeah, I would like to recommend this cream, the Kaya Youth Oxy Infusion Night Cream, and जो Plum का green tea night gel आता है ना guys, वो भी आप लोग try करो. It's also amazing. Okay, next up, I want to show you 2 clothing items that I got, and guys, both of these are like so affordable, so young, vibrant, and funky. I can't even tell you. Like एक तो मैं घर पे पहनती हूँ, मैं पहन चुकी हूँ already, and एक मैं बाहर पहन के जाने का plan कर रही हूँ. कब कैसे मुझे मत पूछना, but anyway, so the next thing that I want to show you are these pair of culottes, okay, that I got from this brand called B Stories, and I got this in the size medium. Okay, now this is what the culottes looks like. Now culottes are very comfortable, very suitable for beaches, but अभी तो बीच कहीं हम जा नहीं रहे, तो घर पे ही पहन लो यार, चिल कर सकते हो ये पहन के. Now these look like a skirt, but they aren't like a skirt. These are like those divided skirts जो हम स्कूल में नहीं पहनते थे स्पोर्ट्स डे या ऐसे कुछ डे पे. मटेरियल तो बहुत ही अच्छा है. आई थिंक दिस इज अ मिक्स ऑफ पॉलिएस्टर एंड कॉटन. ये प्योर कॉटन बिल्कुल नहीं है. बहुत ही अच्छा है. यहाँ पे आपको डिटेलिंग भी मिल जाता है, इससे आप टाइटन कर सकते हो आपका जो फिट है. एंड वेरी कंफर्टेबल, वेरी कोजी, एंड इसमें बहुत सारे प्रिंट्स अवेलेबल थे, बट आई wanted to go in for a lighter neutral color, so I went in for this one. This has like dark green, light green, and lavender shades all mixed up. And the next clothing item that I went in for is this denim jacket. Now I don't think this is pure denim because this was too inexpensive to be a pure denim jacket. This is however from this brand called Funday Fashion, and this is in the size medium में है ये. This is in this lighter blue variant of the denim jacket. I already have a dark blue denim jacket, so I wanted a light blue denim jacket. Looks very smart. इसका जो length है ना, it's like short only. आपके waist के ऊपर ही आएगा ये. एंड इसके पीछे जो है यहाँ पे वो फेडेड डिटेलिंग है, विच आई रियली लाइक. आई थिंक दिस लुक्स वेरी स्मार्ट, एंड मैंने थोड़ा सा ना ये बड़े साइज का लिया है. लाइक आई कुड हैव गॉन इन फॉर द स्मॉल साइज, बट बिकॉज दिस इज समथिंग विच वी जनरली लेयर, राइट, वी विल लेयर दिस अबव अ टी शर्ट और अबव अ टैंक टॉप, so I went in for a bigger size. Alright guys, next up I want to show you these chamomile tea bags that I got. Now I had made a video very recently when I had shared certain ways with you जो आपको सोने में help करेंगे to fall asleep easily, and one of those ways was consuming chamomile tea at night because this really relaxes you and relieves your nerves. So I went in for these chamomile tea bags from this brand called Tea Me, okay, and this is their unwind chamomile variant, and the MRP is rupees 275. I don't remember how much I paid for this actually, but this came with 25 chamomile tea bags plus 2 फ्लेवर्ड बैग्स जो कि फ्री सैंपल थे. तो 2 फ्री सैंपल एंड 25 टी बैग्स इसमें थे. एंड जो फ्री सैंपल थे ना, एक ग्रीन टी का था एंड एक लेमन हनी टी का था. बोथ वर वेरी नाइस. सो दिस कैमोमाइल टी इज वेरी नाइस. यू डेफिनेटली कैन गो फॉर दिस वन. दिस हैज अ वेरी गुड रेटिंग ऑन Amazon एज वेल, एंड दिस इज लाइक प्योर कैमोमाइल टी. तो यहाँ पे एक्चुअल कैमोमाइल टी फ्लावर के एक्सट्रैक्ट्स आपको मिलेंगे, ना कि कैमोमाइल फ्लेवर्ड ग्रीन टी, बिकॉज दैट इज समथिंग विच इज नॉट ओरिजिनल प्रॉपर कैमोमाइल टी. दैट इज जस्ट कैमोमाइल फ्लेवर वाला ग्रीन टी, बट दिस इज प्रॉपर प्योर कैमोमाइल टी, सो यू कैन डेफिनेटली चेक दिस वन आउट. नेक्स्ट अप I just have 3 products to show you guys, and then we're gonna wrap up this haul. It's become a huge haul. I know, but all of these things are so amazing, don't you think so? So next up I want to show you these hair clips that I got, these pearly beady hair clips, okay? So I just want to show you these 2 sample hair clips, and मैं आपको यहाँ पे पहन के भी दिखा देती हूँ, just to show you the feel of the clips. So दैट्स हाउ द क्लिप्स लुक लाइक। आई थिंक ये पर्टिकुलर आउटफिट के साथ ये बहुत ही अच्छा जा रहा है बिकॉज मैंने एक वाइटिश टॉप पहना हुआ है, सो बहुत ही ज्यादा मैच कर रहा है। यू हैव बेसिकली 10 पीसेस, दैट इज 5 पेयर्स ऑफ हेयर क्लिप्स आपको मिल जाता है वही 200-300 के रेंज में। आई रियली लाइक दीज हेयर क्लिप्स, आई थिंक दे आर रियली इन, बहुत ही ज्यादा ट्रेंडी है। यू सी अ लॉट ऑफ दीज कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स वेयर सच हेयर क्लिप्स एंड ये वाले ना आप मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल्स में पहन के आप मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल जो है फिल्म कर सकते हो। सो बहुत ही अच्छे लगते हैं। आई एम अ वेरी गर्ली पर्सन, तो मुझे तो बहुत ही ज्यादा पसंद आए हैं ये वाले हेयर क्लिप्स। मैं बहुत ही फ्रीक्वेंटली इनको यूज करने वाली हूँ एंड 10 पीसेस मुझे मिले थे, दैट इज 5 पेयर्स मुझे मिले थे एंड बहुत ही अच्छे हैं। बट थोड़े से डेफिनेटली प्लास्टिकी है, तो क्वालिटी आप बहुत ज्यादा प्रीमियम मत एक्सपेक्ट करना। डोंट एक्सपेक्ट क्वालिटी लाइक जो वेस्ट साइड एंड शॉपर स्टॉप में जो क्लिप्स नहीं आते उनकी जैसे आप क्वालिटी मत एक्सपेक्ट करना। अदरवाइज आई थिंक दे आर रियली रियली गुड एंड थोड़ा सा आपको दिखाना चाहूंगी व्हाई आई एम सेइंग दिस। दिस इज व्हाट द क्लिप लुक्स लाइक, राइट? यू कैन ऑलरेडी सी कि यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा प्लास्टिकी टाइप का आपको लगेगा। जब आप खोलोगे ना तब भी थोड़ा सा ये उतना स्टर्डी नहीं है बेसिकली, बट ये मुझे अगर 1 साल भी ठीक से चल जाए ना आई विल बी हैप्पी बिकॉज फॉर दैट प्राइस व्हाट एल्स कैन यू एक्सपेक्ट। मतलब अगर आपको 300 रुपए में 10 पीसेस मिल रहे हैं, सो it's quite affordable. All right, now the next 2 products are something which I'm actually using while I'm filming this video. Any guesses? Okay, no worries, I'm going to show you. So the second last item for this haul is actually this neck piece. Guys, look at that. I don't know आपको ठीक से समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं, but यहाँ पे ना 2 ऐसे layers है, okay? There are 2 layers and this is so nice. This is very very pretty. I love it. It's like this very amazing diamond feel वाला choker and बिकॉज ये वाला जो टॉप है थोड़ा सा लूज है यहाँ से एंड उतना ज़्यादा हाई नेक नहीं है, बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है। ये भी बहुत ही इनएक्सपेंसिव था, अ वेरी नाइस एडिशन टू माय नेक पीस कलेक्शन। मैं आप लोगों को मेरा नेक पीस कलेक्शन दिखाऊंगी बहुत दिनों से, बहुत वीडियोस में बोल रही हूँ बट दिखाना नहीं हो रहा है। आई डू अग्री एंड वेरी सॉरी फॉर दैट, बट आई विल डेफिनेटली बी शेयरिंग माई नेक पीस कलेक्शन, माई इयररिंग्स कलेक्शन, एवरीथिंग विथ यू गाइज। And the last product for this haul is actually a mirror with LED lights, which is actually on right here, जिसकी वजह से आप मुझे इतनी अच्छी तरीके से देख सकते हो। And I'm actually using that as a ring light at this point because I do not have a ring light. So this is what the mirror looks like, you guys. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. I'm gonna turn off the light. What the hell? ओके, सो फाइनली जो ये है ना वो ऑफ हो चुका है। सो दिस इज व्हाट द मिरर लुक्स लाइक। यहाँ पे आपको स्टोरेज के लिए ना थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे आपको स्पेस भी दिया गया है जहाँ पे आप थोड़ा बहुत लिपस्टिक या नेल पेंट ऐसा कुछ आप रख सकते हो। एंड दिस इज नॉट रिचार्जेबल और एनीथिंग। आपको इसमें बैटरीज यहाँ पे डालनी होती है, 4 बैटरीज आपको यहाँ पे डालनी होंगी। एंड अभी तक जो मैंने इसको यूज किया ना, बहुत ही अच्छे क्वालिटी का ग्लास है, बहुत ही अच्छी क्वालिटी का मिरर है। बैटरी लाइफ भी इसका काफी अच्छा ही जा रहा है अभी तक, तो मैं इसको काफी फ्रीक्वेंटली यूज करती हूँ। This basically I purchased for filming the makeup tutorials that I film for you guys. I am not a makeup expert, but I have taken a lot of makeup recently and I do keep filming these makeup tutorials for you people. इसके पहले ना बहुत ही वियर्ड एक मिरर में देख के करती थी, मुझे ठीक से मेरा फेस नहीं दिखता था, उसमें थोड़े से ब्लंडर्स भी हो जाते थे। बट ये वो मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल वाले वीडियोस के लिए बहुत काम आने वाला है बिकॉज दिस हैज एलईडी, इट लुक्स वेरी क्लासी, वेरी प्रीमियम लाइक दैट। नो आई रियली लाइक इट एंड मेरे वैनिटी के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा, बहुत ही सही रहेगा। कभी कभी मैं इसको रिंग लाइट के जैसे भी यूज कर लेती हूँ लाइक टुडे। सो या दैट्स इट यू गाइस, दैट्स इट फॉर टुडेज Amazon haul video. I really hope you enjoyed watching the video guys. बहुत मेहनत लगती है ये वीडियोस बनाने में, प्लीज शो मी सम सपोर्ट। इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए एंड सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए मेरे चैनल को। एंड आई विल बी बैक विद अ लॉट मोर हॉल्स, रिव्यूज एंड अदर फैशन एंड लाइफस्टाइल रिलेटेड कंटेंट. Please keep following, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and yeah, I'll see you very very soon. Bye bye.